चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल बोलो जुबान केसरी।
All right, so as we speak, Prime Minister paying tributes to the fallen heroes. He's at the National War Memorial. Accompanying him are the Tri-Services chiefs. Let's go across to Riyanka, who continues to be with us. Riyanka, talking about the swearing-in ceremony later this evening at the Rashtrapati Bhavan, talk to us once again about the special invites that have been sent, which also includes tribal women, sanitation women, transgender individuals, and even the labourers who were involved in the Central Vista project.
Involved
All right, not sure if Riyanka is with us, but as we speak, Prime Minister paying his tributes to the fallen heroes, saluting the fallen heroes who've laid down their lives in service of the nation. He is accompanied by the Tri-Services chiefs, as he is at the National War Memorial. A short while ago, the Prime Minister also paid tributes to Mahatma Gandhi, after which he even visited the Atal Samadhi, where he paid tributes to Atal Bihari Vajpayee. All right, Riyanka is through. Riyanka, we were talking here about the special invites that have been sent for people from all walks of life, which also includes sanitation workers, transgender individuals, the labourers who were involved in the Central Vista project. Talk to us about how this ceremony is inclusive in many ways, given that people from all walks of life have been asked to attend the swearing-in ceremony.
Indeed, a big day for Narendra Modi. We know that today he will be taking oath for the third term, and people from all walks of life have been invited for this mega event, be it the people, the labourers who have worked very hard at the Central Vista project, and as well as other top dignitaries of the national and international front. If we talk about the leaders coming in from several nations, especially including the SAARC nations, we know that top leaders of Sri Lanka, of Bhutan, Bangladesh, Nepal, they are of course going to be present at this mega event. Also, amid the strained ties, we have the leader of Maldives who will be present today as well. This shows how there are efforts of better bilateral ties being seen on cards with the Prime Minister taking oath once again for his third term.